Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Officially Snapped. Today is a very special day for us today. So I have a little sister. If you know me, then you know that I have a sister. I got a lot of family members actually that are serving in the military. One particular family member that I have is my baby sister, who's serving in the U.S. Air Force at the current time. Her and her husband just made Chief. They just made it to Chief. Both of them, same household. So it is super amazing. So what happened is they live in Texas. So they flew in for the holidays. Merry Christmas. They flew in for the holidays to surprise my mom. Surprise my parents. Surprise my parents for the holidays. So they are at my parents' house right now. So that was their Christmas gift to my parents and my brother. So my Christmas gift to them is a congratulations parade. So I've invited my family and I've invited my friends to help me come out, and my biker family to help me come out and celebrate them, while they're here for the day. So we'll be doing a parade around the neighborhood. We're just going to go in the neighborhood twice. They don't know. So the plan is I'm going to go over there. I'm going to go to the park, try to get everybody coming in. About 5 minutes before we get ready to roll out, I had a flyer done. So I'm going to send them the flyer and tell them to come outside, for the parade. So the flyer basically says just honk for the Chiefs. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go in the neighborhood and we are going to honk for the Chiefs, because I am super excited, and so is everybody else. Again, thank you guys. Thank you everybody that is helping to put this this event together. A lot of people that wanted to come but couldn't make it. Thank you so much that you found it in your heart to even want to participate. I got me a nice little shirt off of Amazon. Yep, you can see that. I think it says my favorite airman calls me sister. So yeah, so real cute. So the other thing, I had asked a lot of people to wear blue and yellow. I looked it up. That was the Air Force colors. Got some people that says they were wearing black and gold because they were in the Army. They are representing. I'm okay with that. Represent what you represent what you stand for. Thank you everybody who have served in our military, whether it's the Army, the Marines, the Air Force, whatever the case may be. So again, me and Rashad are gonna mount up and we're gonna get ready to head over to the park so that we can see everybody coming in. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Always remember to like, share, and comment on the videos. Also, for the first time, I'm going to be using my Insta 360 3X or X3, something like that. So, Christmas gift to myself. I didn't do that video, but I did have a video that I was going to post. So, I did get me a little gift. So, for the very first time, I'm going to try to use that. Hopefully, I'll be able to capture some really good moments from today so that I can post it in a video. But if I don't, then just lay around for it. I just got to play around with the camera a little bit. And if you have any tips that you can provide to me for using this camera, I would greatly appreciate it, because I've been playing with it for the last couple of days, trying to get myself familiar with the app. And I'm not even gonna lie, it confused me a little bit sometimes, and it gets a little frustrating until I get it. So if you know some quick, easy tips that'll work, I even been on YouTube. So we're gonna work it out today. We're gonna try it today. So thank you again. arrived. Ooh, I have arrived to the park, and people are here. I just want to go over and tell everybody thank you for coming, whether it was 1, 2, or 3 people. I am greatly appreciated. Thank you guys. So
even that
let's do this. Let's do this so we get it right.
I don't have
okay.
That's the Air Force colors, blue and silver.
But you know what?
Blue
I
and white,
googled
blue
it.
and silver.
I googled it.
I'm not a veteran.
I know. I knew it was like blue and white, but when I googled it, it said blue for something and then yellow for something, and I'm like, yeah, because even the logo, like they got 2 different logos.
You're going to get coffee.
Okay. To each and every one of you. Nice wave.
My name is Rasul, and I'm a 10-year Air Force vet. Retired police officer, and the best part of my life came from here. Taught me to be a man.
All right.
7882 United States Air Force.
All right. There it is.
So I just want to say thank you so much for your service. Congratulations on your promotions. I know you're going to do your family proud and the United States proud. Thank you again. Congratulations. Job well done. I'm an Air Force veteran. I love the Air Force, and you guys are awesome. Like Zingo say, an example of black excellence. Congratulations.
You see the way life goes. We have ups and we have downs. And right now, you guys are on the very tip top. You're at the peak of the mountaintop. Congratulations to you from Coach, from the House of Alpha. We love you. We support you. Black Power.
Hey, Tori and Michael, congratulations.
And happy holidays.
I got you, Cal.
Okay.
You finished?
Yes.
See, you want to say something?
What am I supposed to say?
Congratulations.
Oh, congratulations.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Say something, Auntie.
Congratulations, Tori. I'm so proud of you.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Tori and Mike, on your great accomplishment. We are proud of you. We love you. And one time for the
Air Force.
Air Force.
I'm overwhelmed. I am overwhelmed. Everybody is showing up, guys. They are out. Look at this. They got the cars decorated. This is freaking amazing. Oh. Aw. So happy. Okay.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Tori and Michael. Congratulations, y'all.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Tori.
Oh, shit. The flag. All hands on deck. We got some U.S. Air Force flags. It was Narlin that said, I ain't got no flags. I'm like, you know what? Don't worry about it.
Yeah, that's what she just said. She was like, I just called her. She
Okay,
goes,
y'all,
I
there
said,
we
are
go.
you coming?
There we go.
You did it upside down.
What you mean?
Wait, what I gotta do? The gold part go on top.
Oh, she's so smart, y'all.
What I gotta do now?
This the smart friend. Look, this the smart friend.
I came with the United States of America.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
good drive this morning,
Oh,
huh?
yes, honey. I had a nice little ride this morning.
Well, thank you for coming. I
You're
greatly
welcome. I
appreciate it.
really wouldn't have missed it.
Awesome.
For letting me know. Congratulations. Welcome home. All the goodies, all the goodies. Happy holidays.
Thank you very much.
I wish you the best. May God bless you with many, many endurance, my dear.
All right. All right.
First time.
Uncle get to see nieces and nephews for the first time. Whew, thank you. Yeah. Y'all see Cuzzo with the flag. We got the American flag representing in the front of the parade. So we're gonna get ready to do this thing. Alright guys, we getting ready to roll out. We're gonna go twice around the block and back to the house. This little camera thing not working out. Pointing to the back. So let's see if we can Yeah, no, it ain't gonna fall. Going at, yeah, well, we ain't gonna go on that fast. biker community, thank you, thank you, thank you. They were so surprised, so shocked at everybody that came out and, you know, just supported them. Come on, Miss Jackie, move them little short legs. Move them little short legs, Miss Jackie. They got it. They got it.
Thank you so
I won it. I was trying to get those tears.
Thank you, my girl.
I was trying to get those tears. I wanted Shaw to record those tears.
I was looking a little rough that day. My eyes all puffed, my sinuses and allergies.
When did they posted the picture?
Yeah.
Take a picture, Rasul. Awesome, got it.
Congratulations.
Londa, yeah, just park right there for me. Park right there, you fine. Pull in that driveway right there. Yeah. My right here, my brother-in-law right here, and my sister is over there.
Hey, how you doing, man? Hey, thank you.
Yeah. All right, the cake cutter that's right there in the bag. Cake.
I'm about to do my pose.
Do your pose, Chloe. Let me see. Ooh, y'all see Chloe with her pose? Yes, baby. Yes. All right, we're gonna.
thank you for getting everyone together to celebrate this special moment right before Christmas. It means a lot. And so with that, I'm short on words, so I'm going to pass it over to the great speaker.
Well, thank you all so much. As you all know, we serve away from family, and just seeing y'all here just really filled up our heart, and it made us go for another 3 years. It's very rare that African American, especially African American woman, serves in this position. So I'm gonna take all the love y'all gave me, and I'm gonna go put on for my city. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much to everybody that came out to make this occasion a blast and a success. Thank you to my biker family. Thank you to my immediate family. Thank you to those that wanted to come but couldn't come. The ones that reached out and sent their congratulations. We thank you so much. We are so grateful for you. This is my sister. This is my brother-in-law. This is Mr. and Mrs. Chief Ellis, you guys. Enlisted, E9 enlisted in the U.S. Air Force, guys. So they have done it. We were here today to celebrate Black excellence. We were here today to celebrate them. They flew in for the holidays. So I wanted to, just do something special for them, just to let them know that we here in the city of Miami-Dade and Broward County appreciate them. We acknowledge them. We welcome them, and we are so proud of them. So again, thank you to everybody that tuned in to this channel. Again, guys, always remember to like the videos, share the videos, and comment on the videos. And guess what? All the way from Wichita Falls, Texas to Miami, Florida, they have been what?
Officially snapped.